Morning everybody, it's the start of a new week and it's going to be a slightly noisy start to the week to get us all up and motivated, ready to go. Let's show you what we've got in the workshop. We have this lovely sort of dark greeny grey F-Type in, 5 litre V8, having custom exhaust work done, so that'll be 200 cell high flow CE certified cats on there, some work to the rest of the exhaust system and new tuning with our MyGenius handheld tuning device. So that allows the customer to switch between his own maps as and when he's ready on the vehicle. So he's got all the noise, all the performance when he needs it. And then he's got obviously a slightly quieter map on there for when he needs to sort of cruise around, so those late nights or early morning starts. Then we have, as we spin around, Tom walking through with some deliveries, but we also have this wonderful XFR-S Estate in here. So not the most common of vehicles to see. Usually you see the saloon models, but also you've got the larger sort of full-size Estate today. This is in for a whole host of work. It's having some crank seal work, so some maintenance work done, upper pulley, lower pulley. It's having charge cooler, supercharger cooler pump, and of course remapping to go as well. So let's start the week off with a little bit of noise to sort of shake off those Monday morning blues. Paul's going to hit the button over there. We're going to turn the fan on, make some noise. There we are, nice loud start to the week. Of course, once the exhaust's done on this, all the tuning, upper, lower pulley and everything else, we'll get another video to follow up to show you the before and afters and the figures on it. So I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned to our socials this week for more work in the workshop, tuning upgrades, tuning tool releases, you name it, we've got it. Stay tuned to our socials, enjoy the week. Thanks everyone.